it's Sam. So today I'm going to be doing my Fabfitfun fall box unboxing. I am so excited. I got all in my fall colors, my fall hat, my fall mustard lovely little shirt I just got from Target. And we are just going to go ahead and open this baby up. So when you first get the box, the entire vibe is fall, obviously, because it's a fall box. But it is really lovely colors, those kind of like bright yellows, oranges, navy blues, and then this really nice kind of like burgundy color. So it screams fall. It's got like ladies walking their dogs, sitting on a couch with a cup of tea, or maybe apple cider, going on a little bike ride. I mean, like, I just love their boxes. They're always so cute. So I did partner up with Fabfitfun for this video. So I do have a coupon code for you guys if you're not familiar with Fabfitfun and you haven't already signed up. It is normally $49.99 a month. And with my coupon code, which is SAM in all capital letters, you will get this for $10 off. So you get this whole entire box for $39.99. These boxes retail over $200, sometimes $300 worth of products in here if you were to break it down and buy them all separately. So for under $40, you're gonna be getting all of this stuff that's worth over $200. So it's such a good deal. It's basically like Christmas every season. So you get it 4 times a year. So you get it spring, summer, fall, winter. So we're in the fall box right now. It caters towards that season. So in the summertime, you get more kind of like beachy stuff. In the fall, it's more kind of cozy, and then obviously winter. But it's always amazing, and it's not just beauty. It's beauty, lifestyle. Sometimes there's fitness. Sometimes there's like little snacks. It always changes, and it's always awesome. It's my favorite subscription box that I've ever had. I've been getting it now for years, and I love it. Be sure to take advantage of that coupon code. I will go ahead and leave that in the description box below, as well as the link to go and sign up for Fabfitfun if you haven't already. In the inside, it's kind of like that. Oh, it's the same color as my shirt. Mustard, and it says Fabfitfun and grateful for every little thing fall 2018. I've noticed that their magazines have been getting a little thicker. They've been putting a little bit more content in there, which is kind of cool. It has 50 ways to be thankful, rainy day cheat sheets, how much should you use as far as product goes. What is this one? The ultimate makeup how tool. So it's always got like little kind of like, you know, it's like a little mini magazine that you can read on a nice cozy day with a cup of cider. So I like the little magazine. And then of course it always tells you on the usually first or second page what all you're supposed to be getting in your box, the retail value, and what everything is like worth, and then kind of just like a little bit of information about each product. The very first thing I see are these little headphones. These are the Cobra wireless earbuds, which is great because nobody wants to deal with wires. It's like my biggest pet peeve of life. So these ones are kind of an either or. So you would either get these in white or black, or you would get a umbrella. So luckily it doesn't really rain much where we live, so I'm glad we got the earbuds. These retail for $40, and they're basically just connected to Bluetooth so that you can just not have to be hooked up to a computer or your phone, which is really nice. And these ones are really cute. They're like white and pink, I think. You know what I always do is I plug into my computer. Oh, yeah, they are. They're white and pink. How adorable. Look at that. It's got like a little pink doodad on the side. Those are cute. I always hook up to my computer, and then I go to get up forgetting that I'm hooked up, and then the headphones are like in my ear, and then I'll like get up and then it'll like yank. So this will be actually really handy for me because it's really annoying when I do that. So far so good. Those are already paid for the entire box, and there's still tons more. So the next thing is the Cuccio, I think that's how you say it, Yoga Detox Bath. This is the post-practice and relaxing soak ritual made with Greek mastiha, I don't know if I said that right, Mediterranean sea salts, and goji berry extract. This one is also an either or. So this is for select members only. This is if you upgrade to the annual plan, where you get to decide what you get out of like the 3 options. So you would either get a lipstick, the Pharmacy Do-It-All Total Eye Cream, or this detox bath. This one retails for $39.95. So again, this one product has paid for your whole entire box. So this is awesome. It's supposed to just be a detox salt bath. And I wonder if I can smell it. I don't take a lot of baths, but I feel like maybe that's because it's summer and it's hot. Oh gosh, that smells really nice. Kind of like eucalyptus, really fresh. Okay, next we have a bar, which I'm actually really excited about because I'm starving right now. This is the Luna Rica Cashew Butter Filled Fruit and Nut Bar. This is just a sponsored, so this is kind of like a little extra bonus. I'm gonna try a bite so that we can see what it tastes like because I'm actually really hungry and might as well try it for you. It's got cashew butter inside of it. So it's kind of like a soft, almost like a Nutri-Grain kind of like texture, like softness. Oh God, that's good. It's called the salted caramel nut. That is so good. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna eat the whole thing real quick because that's so good. It's so soft. The texture is so good and it's sweet. It doesn't taste like overly nutty. I mean, it's nutty, but it's not like nut, you know? I'm gonna buy those. I gotta keep that wrapper so I know what to get. Those are delicious. It almost tastes like I'm eating a Snickers. Okay, that was pretty much the most delicious bar ever. And inside of it, they give you a $3 off 1 box of Luna bars on Amazon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and order them on Amazon. How exciting is that? Okay, next we have 2 sheets of Glam Glow. These are the Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. These retail for $18, and it's supposed to be a tingling 3D bubble experience. The micro bubbles instantly invigorate and detoxify the skin, revealing a glowing, deeply purified complexion. So those are fun, and Glam Glow is like a really good, expensive brand, so it's always nice to see like high-end brands that you recognize that are like pretty well known. Glam Glow, I feel like everyone knows Glam Glow. And that's what comes in every single box, that bar and the Glam Glow. Next is the Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream with Camellia Geranium Blossom. This is a either or for select members. This one retails for $49. It's got jojoba oil, camellia, rosehip oil. It's supposed to visibly improve hydration, balance natural sebum levels, and soothe skin, as well as repair UV damage. Oh, this is cool. This is not what I was expecting. I was expecting like more of a tube bottle. This is actually like a squeezy tube, which is really interesting for a day cream. I've never really seen day creams like this. Normally it's like in a pump top or whatever. So I just want to smell it because I feel like it's probably going to smell good because it says it has geranium blossom, and I'm like, oh, please smell like flowers. I really do like the packaging. I feel like that's really kind of like snazzy. So it has a very soft scent. There's like a slight soft scent of like floral. It's not overwhelming, which I think is honestly really good because otherwise, you know, sometimes they can get a little bit too much, but that goes into the skin really nicely. It does feel like a quite like hydrating cream, but it doesn't feel oily or greasy. It's just like automatically just gone into my skin. There's no like shine or anything like that. Like you can see it looks hydrated, but it's not thick or greasy or heavy in any way. It definitely smells like a very soft, sweet kind of vanilla floral. Okay, next item is the Skin & Co. Blue in Capri Shower Gel from the Italian collection. So this is what this looks like. Again, another full-size product. This retails for $22. This is something that also comes in every single box. It says you can use this as a shower gel or you can also use it as a bubble bath. Let's give it a sniff because that's the most important part. It says this multi-purpose shower gel is inspired by the lemon farmers in Capri, Italy, and is deliciously scented with wild sage, lemon, and alpine rose. Oh, yeah, that's very fresh. Very clean smelling. It definitely smells like sage with a slight hint of lemon. That smells nice. I think that would be nice as well if you, like it would be good for either men or women because it's not a super foofy smell. It's one of those just really fresh and clean versus like overly like girly. So that's something that both me and Jay can use. I mean, let's face it, he doesn't really care. He uses whatever I have in there. But if your man is particular, I know some men are, then that would be something that I don't think it would be too girly for them. Okay, then we got some little tea towels. These are called the Simply Whimsical tea towels. These retail for $14.99, and it just has 2 tea towels with like a little gray pattern. They're like in a chevron pattern, if you guys can see that. Yes, hopefully you can. Yeah, there we go. So, I mean, just some nice tea towels. Everyone needs tea towels, don't they? I mean, eventually you gotta dry your dishes or your hands. Okay, next, I'm seeing the Crown Pro for Pros by Pros Crown Brush 6-piece brush set. This is also an either or. So you either get the Vince Camuto Luck Tote in black or red desert, which I've got to be honest, I would probably prefer the tote because I have so many makeup brushes that I know that I probably won't end up using these, so these will be going to a friend. But that's the nice thing about this box. Sometimes there are items where you're like, I don't need that, or I know I'm not going to use it. And so they're great to save as gifts because you get so many items in the box that if you know that someone's birthday is coming up, or if you're already like starting to get prepared for the holidays, then it's the perfect thing that if there is something that you're not going to use, then you can give this as a gift and boom, you've got part of your gift ready already. So it comes like this. It just kind of like clicks open. And then, oh, these are some nice brushes actually. You've got a really good fluffy one over here. You've got like a nice kind of fluffy flat shader, and then a really nice flat one for like concealer, an eyeliner, a contour, and then a big powder brush. So some really nice brushes actually. I feel like those are like good basics. They're really soft. Okay, it's saying that you should be getting a beauty blender in every box, but I don't seem to have one in mine. So this is what you would be getting. This is, I think, a beauty blender. I don't know, it was just sitting on my counter. So either this came out of my box or I just have a random beauty blender sitting on my counter. I'm not really sure. Either way, this one says Beauty Queen, so I don't know if this is like a special one that I already had, but you'll be getting a beauty blender in there. It says that that comes in every single box and that retails for $20. Not sure what's going on with mine, if it was just a mistake and it wasn't placed in there, or if this is the in fact missing beauty blender. I don't see it anywhere else though. So, but either way, you'll get a beauty blender in yours. Okay, and then last but not least, I see the Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. How fancy. So this is a item that you will get in, but it's like an either or. So you'll get either the Alfred French press or the Alfred teapot. It's $26. It says sip in style with the ceramic teapot designed by LA-based Tea Spot Alfred Tea Room. God, that sounds amazing. It has a stainless steel lid, a wide lipped infuser, and a dripless spout to make tea time enjoyable. It says use 1 teaspoon of leaves per cup of tea. I've just given up caffeine, but I was telling Jay I just need to get decaffeinated tea bags, and then I can still enjoy, because it's like it's the whole feel of tea. It's not just the caffeine. It's like I like making the tea, I like pouring the tea, I like sitting there with my teacup and drinking the tea with the milk. It's just like, it's an actual, for me, it isn't a drink, it's a thing to do. But I kept on having really bad headaches, and like if I woke up in the morning and I didn't immediately have a cup of tea, I had a really bad headache, and I was drinking like 5 cups of tea a day, like all throughout the day. I'd have one for breakfast, one for lunch, one for like afternoon, one for dinner, one at nighttime when I was working, and it was like, okay, you're getting crazy with the tea. And so I told Jay, like, that's it, I'm stopping caffeine. So he's actually doing it with me. So we've basically been miserable with like the worst headache from not having any caffeine. But I think they make Tetley bags in decaffeinated. So if I can just do that, it's just the whole idea of having tea, which I like. But how adorable is this teapot, guys? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. What an adorable little teapot. I just love it. All these gorgeous little flowers. It's like little cherry blossoms. And then look, it comes with like the little tea strainer, so you could put tea leaves in there if you wanted to. And then you just fill it up with hot water, and you've got your little stainless steel lid. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. My dream would be to have a tea room. Like if I could own any kind of business, it would be a little tea room, just like the one in England that I go to with my nanny. and it would have like little cakes and sandwiches and scones and like lots of different teas, and you could just go in there with your girlfriends and it would be like decorated super girly and super cute, and you could have little tea parties, and that would be like my goal of life. But I've worked once in the like food and beverage industry, and that was when I was super young. So I would not even know where to start with a business like that, but I think that it would be so, it's just like, that's my happy time, is having a cup of tea. Like, I really love it. And like, whenever I go back to England, I love going back to Vinties. It's like this gorgeous little tea shop in England. And I go with my nanny and my aunt, and it's just so amazing. There's just something about having tea and like little sandwiches and scones or some kind of like cake or pastry. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just the English in me, but I really love it. So that's like the most random thing ever, and like got nothing to do with makeup or fashion or anything. It's like literally just having a cup of tea in a tea room. I just think it would be so fun to run. I would love to like decorate it and have it super cute and whimsical and just lovely. But I'm sure that would cost a lot of money, and also I have no idea. I wouldn't even know where to start. So that's my life goal, is having a tea room. But this is adorable. Sorry, I kind of just like went off there with my little life goal situation. That is my Fabfitfun unboxing for fall. There's some really awesome things, and there's some really awesome options in there. I have to say I'm slightly bummed about, I really wanted that tote because I saw it on Instagram. Someone had showed it and I was like, oh, please let me have the tote. But that's okay. I feel like this will still be a lovely gift for someone else, the crown brush. So yeah, overall though, I got some really great things, and I'm super excited about that bar because now I know that I can find a bar that I really like, because that was delicious. And I have a coupon code for it. So that's awesome. So once again, Fabfitfun never disappoints. There's always something in there, or more than something, more than one thing. I usually love every single thing in there. I think everything that was in here was really good. The teapot I think is my favorite, as well as that bar was delicious. And then I'm super excited for this shower gel, because everyone needs shower gel. That detox bath, I feel like once it kind of like cools down, then I'll have a nice little bath with that and try it out. And then those earbuds also were really cool. So everything was really great. I hope you guys found this helpful and enjoyed. Don't forget to take advantage of that coupon code. It'll save you $10 off, which will give you a box for $39.99, which is an awesome deal. You get all of this stuff. It's great around the holidays, guys, because you can start putting stuff away for like gift ideas. If there are specific items like those brushes that I know I won't use, put it away for someone, birthdays, Christmas time, whatever the case may be. You can find someone who will love it. Huge thanks again to Fabfitfun for partnering up with me for this video. I love Fabfitfun. I have done so many videos. I will go ahead and like put a few more of the other unboxings so that you guys can check it out if you are new, just so you can see like former boxes. I have basically unboxed them for like a couple of years now. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and if you have already got Fabfitfun, leave a comment down below just letting people know who haven't gotten it yet how you like it. I love mine. I think it's bomb. Thank you guys. I love you all so very much. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy almost fall. I think officially September 22nd is the first day of fall. We're so close. I'm so ready. Okay, thank you guys. Mwah. Bye.